Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm presenting a very unique chutney. Can you guess what it is? I'm making olive chutney, sweet, spicy and tangy olive chutney. Now many people are not aware that olives are also grown in India. We always had a feeling that they grow only in Spain and they are imported from there. But in the interiors of Assam, we have olives growing, and Assamese cuisine uses extensively in many dishes. Even this chutney recipe is from Assam. It's really very tasty. Let's make it. This is olive gur chutney or Jolphai Chutney from Assam. Olives are known as Jolphai in Assamese language. This sweet, spicy, tangy chutney will leave your taste buds tingling for sure. It can be paired with any kinds of breads, rotis, parathas, puris. This yummylicious chutney can be made in small quantities. Make it fresh and enjoy. It can stay good for a couple of weeks, but I'm sure once you make it, it will not last that long. You will end up finishing it much before that. For the olive chutney, we have taken a small bowl full of olives, diced them in a chopper. And we have 2 teaspoons of Panch Phoran, equal quantities of mustard, cumin, fennel, nigella and fenugreek seeds are mixed. You can check out the recipe in the description box. Then we have roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons, mustard oil, 4 to 5 tablespoons, honey, 2 tablespoons, red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon, salt as needed, and jaggery powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons. I am using organic jaggery. Now let's make the chutney. Place a pan on the gas and add the mustard oil. As you all know, mustard oil has to be heated very well and then cool down. Once it reaches the right temperature, reduce the flame and add the Panch Phoran. Stir it with a spatula until you get a nice aroma. And then add the jaggery powder. Continue this on the low flame itself. Don't increase the flame and stir it until the jaggery starts melting and bubbling. If you do this on the high flame, the color may change to dark black. Now dip in the crushed olives. You can see this chutney hardly takes 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring. Add the salt, chilli powder, cumin powder, everything as per your taste, and continue to stir. Stir it until the water evaporates and oil starts to separate. The quick chutney, you can make it in small quantities and enjoy it fresh. Check the salt. Add the salt very carefully because the olives are already salty. So you can also add it later if required. So initially be very careful in adding. Check if the olives are done. Little more to go. You can see now the oil has started to separate, which means the chutney is ready. At this stage, stir in the honey. Mix it well with a spatula. 2 tablespoons should be more than enough. If you like it very sweet, you may add little more. Just stir it well. After the addition of the honey, do not overcook it. Once everything is mixed well, remove it from the flame. Here we go. The chutney is ready. You can allow it to cool before dishing it out. Put it in a small serving bowl If you want to store it, fill it into a dry sterilized jar and refrigerate it. It goes very well with puris and parathas. I love it for breakfast with these crispy masala puris. Yummy delicious chutney. I hope you are going to give it a try and enjoy it as much as I do. You can also see the detailed recipe on my website. The link is shared in the description box below. Check it out. Those of you who are new to the channel, do subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notifications about my new uploads. Here are some more videos. In case you have not watched them, you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.